Good afternoon, candidates. This question is on circular seating arrangement. This is an exam question. This was asked in IBPS preliminary examination. Questions, directions, questions 6 to 10. Study the given information carefully and answer the given questions. 8 people P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are sitting around a circular table facing the center, not necessarily in the same order. Each of them speaks a different language, namely Marathi, English, Hindi, Bengali, Malayalam, Tamil, Gujarati, and Urdu, but not necessarily in the same order. The one who speaks Malayalam sits second to the right of W. Only two people sit between the one who speaks Malayalam and the one who speaks Gujarati. Yeah. V sits on the immediate left of one who speaks Gujarati. Only two people sit between V and U. U is not an immediate neighbor of W. The one who speaks Hindi sits second to the right of U. T sits on the immediate right of the one who speaks Hindi. Only three people sit between T and the one who speaks Marathi. S sits on the immediate left of P. The one who speaks Urdu sits second to the right of P. Only three people sit between the one who speaks Bengali and the one who speaks English. The one who speaks Bengali is not an immediate neighbor of T. R sits second to the left of one who speaks English. Yeah, candidates, in this type of problem, what is to be done is, first we must go through the questions carefully. Find out what are the different elements in the particular questions. For example, here in this question, 8 people are there. They are sitting around a circular table. And one good thing in this question is that they are all facing towards the center. So no problem. That is one advantage. Nowadays, the examination questions consists of, the two main exam questions consists of some facing towards the center, some facing outside the center. Then in this problem, 8 people, they are facing towards center and they speak 8 different languages. Right. Then what you can do, if you want to solve the problem, you can write the 8 languages in a separate place, a name of people also separate place, so that you can tick them out whenever it is coming. First, what you should do, you should put a circle and then make 8 columns. Once you do that, you should try to find out what are all the lead points which can help us solve the problem. For example, here the one who speaks Malayalam sits second to the right of W. So this is the starting point. So you decide W in one place and put the person speaking Malayalam 2 steps ahead of him on the right side. When one is facing center, this is right, this is left. So remember that, and then put the Malayalam speaking. Only 2 people sit between the one who speaks Malayalam and one who speaks Gujarati. Here what will happen? Now we have put Malayalam here. So the Gujarati man can come on the right side of this Malayalam man, or on the left side of this Malayalam man, two placements will come. I tried in both the columns. One, initially I tried with Gujarati person in the left side of Malayalam. That did not work out, and the one on the right side only worked out. So you must be able to understand the different possibilities for a particular question situation. V sits on the immediate of the left of one who speaks Gujarati. So whatever you decide, right side or left side Gujarati, from there left is this person V is sitting. Is this question? So what is the point is you are guided either by language or by the person. So that will help us decide about the placement. Only two people sit between V and U. Only two people sit between V and U. U is an immediate neighbor of W. This is very leading point. Now we know W. U is an immediate neighbor means either he can come on the left of W or right of W. But when you try to put it, he comes on the left of W. The one who speaks Hindi sits second to the right of U. So that means you have decided U, then second to the right means he comes adjacent to W. That is Hindi. T sits on the immediate right of the one who speaks Hindi. Now we know Hindi, so automatically next person is T. T is the person who speaks Malayalam. Only three people sit between T and the one who speaks Marathi. So what is the advantage? Here three people are sitting. That means next Marathi person will be sitting exactly opposite to T. Either you go this side, left side, 1, 2, 3, then this one. Or right side, 1, 2, 3, that also same. Just opposite. This is the most important thing. Likewise, in some exams, they will give you these two people face each other. That means they are directly opposite. So here in this question, Marathi person is sitting opposite to T. That we can decide. Then S sits on the immediate left of P. So S sits on the immediate left of P. Here of the balance available, only this Marathi speaking is pending, Gujarati is pending, and this side near T is pending. So having two people together, it has to come P Marathi, then yes Gujarati. The one who speaks Urdu sits second to the right of P. So that means P you have decided. Then second to the right means that is actually W. W speaks Urdu. Only three people sit between one who speaks English and Bengali. So this is again another lead for us. Which two direct diagonals are pending? Only besides this Urdu and besides this Malayalam. So one must be English, other must be Bengali. So that is good for us. The one who speaks Bengali is not an immediate neighbor of T. तब तो मलयालम टी हम लोग जानते हैं. Now he is Bengali speaking is not sitting there. So there in that place only English will come. So automatically beside W we will get Bengali. R sits second to the left of the one who speaks English. English, left is R, that is Hindi. The only other pending is Q, that is English. This is how we have to make the arrangement. दोस्तों अभी आपको मालूम हो गया ऐसे में भी क्वेश्चंस में हम लोग पहले पढ़ना है क्या क्या एलिमेंट्स है इस क्वेश्चन में वो देखना है. इस क्वेश्चन में हम लोग का क्या है 8 आदमी है और 8 लैंग्वेजेस है और इधर में क्वेश्चन में आपको लीड सेंटेंस क्या आप समझना है. जैसे हमने बताया W, Malayalam. Likewise, you should try to understand the lead sentences and then fix the diagram. ये देख लीजिए, ये तो आपको खाली ये एक फिगर में नहीं आएगा। हमने तो 3 अभी ट्राई किया, 2-3 टाइम्स ट्राई करता है, फिर भी वो ठीक से जो ठीक से आता है उसको लेना है। समझ गया? ऐसा मान के अभी हम लोग क्वेश्चंस आंसर करने के लिए जाएंगे। अभी देखिए आपको 6th क्वेश्चन क्या है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विल कम इन प्लेस ऑफ क्वेश्चन मार्क इन द फॉलोइंग सीरीज based on given arrangement. Bengali is V, Hindi is P, and English who is speaking. अच्छा, Bengali V, Hindi what? Hindi P. Okay. So English के लिए from there 1, 2, 3. Say here it is not the same person. Bengali language it is you, but the name is given as V. Left side में जाता है 1, 2, third fellow B. हिंदी को किसको हिंदी कहाँ पर है? That is Hindi is R. Hindi is R. So next is two sides 1, 2, 3. Third left side P. Same way English को third left side what will come? W. Answer is 2. समझ गए आप लोग का? Could you follow this? The answer for this is 2. That is W. Excellent. Now we will go to the next question. Next question is 7th question. What is the immediate position of you with respect to the one who speaks Malayalam? What is the answer? A. Immediate right. What is the position of you? What is the position of you with respect to Malayalam? Immediate right? No. Immediate right is Q. English is English. Second to the left, no. Bengali U. Third to the right, 1, 2, 3, yes. Gujarati. Then fourth is third to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Third to the left, Malayalam. Malayalam is there. And what is the position of you with respect to the one who speaks Malayalam? Left, 1, 2, 3. Third to the left. So the answer is 4. Second to the right नहीं आएगा. That is Tamil. समझ गया? So 7th question के लिए आपको आंसर मिलता है 4. ठीक है? Good. अभी अगला क्वेश्चन जाएंगे. We'll go for the next question. 8th question. We who sits second to the left of the one who speaks Gujarati. Who is speaking Gujarati? Gujarati is yes. Second to the left, who is sitting? Q. So the answer is 4. Q is sitting. He is the man who is sitting, and the answer is 4Q. So answer for 8 is 4Q. Good. We will go for the next question. 9th question. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way based on their sitting arrangement and so form a group. Which one does not belong to the group? For example, यहाँ पर दिया है Q हिंदी. Q हिंदी. Q का लेफ्ट साइड में सेकंड. वी इंग्लिश, वी इंग्लिश, वो तो आपको लेफ्ट साइड फर्स्ट में आ गया। और बंगाली, वो लेफ्ट साइड सेकंड। देन यू गुजराती, यू गुजराती लेफ्ट साइड में सेकंड। पी तमिल, वो भी लेफ्ट साइड में सेकंड। ओनली नंबर टू ऑप्शन वी इंग्लिश, दैट इज नॉट सिमिलर, ऑड मैन आउट। समझ गए आप लोग का? कुड यू फॉलो दिस? बाकी सब आंसर में जो आदमी बैठा है उनका लेफ्ट साइड में सेकंड, एक छोड़ के दूसरा में लैंग्वेज वाला दिया है। समझ गया? ऐसा मपी हम लोग इसको फाइंड आउट करना है। और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 10th क्वेश्चन, which of the following is true regarding Q? Q sits right to the right of you. No. Second, only three people sit between Q and P. No, two people only sit, or 1, 2, 3, 4 people हो गया. Q is an immediate neighbor of one who speaks Tamil. Yes, correct. 3 is the answer. Q जो तमिल बोलता है उनका पास में बैठा है। उनका पास में कौन कौन बैठा है? गुजराती वाला बैठा है और इंग्लिश वाला बैठा है। और नंबर 4 चॉइस क्यू सेकंड, सिट सेकंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ पी। नो नो, ये तो थर्ड हो गया। क्यू स्पीक्स मलयालम, नहीं नहीं, क्यू स्पीक्स इंग्लिश। इसलिए आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? 3. So let me again tell you answers. Number 6, 2, number 7, 4, number 8, 4, number 9, 2, number 10, 3. I hope आप लोग का अंडरस्टैंड हो गया. I think you could follow this question. You could follow this question, and this is how the answer arrangements are made. So wish you बेस्ट ऑफ लक. कुछ क्वेश्चन डाउट्स होगा तो आप मेरे को ईमेल भेज सकते हैं, और मेरे क्लास भी अटेंड कर सकते हैं. रोज हम लोग क्लास कंडक्ट करते हैं सुबह और शाम को. सुबह तो हम लोग क्वांट्स कंडक्ट करते हैं और रीजनिंग भी बोलते हैं और अंग्रेजी भी बोलते हैं. शाम को हम लोग करंट अफेयर्स क्लास लेते हैं. तब तो चाहिए तो आप आ सकते हैं. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू.